People in the past were noting down the contacts in a diary or a small pocketable book. And when smartphones came along, the contacts were saved in the phone. But when the phone was lost or you bought a new phone, the same writing down continues. So now I will show you an easy way to restore the contacts. To restore it, first you need to back it up. So let's go.
First, you need to go to Settings, then scroll down to Accounts and select your Google account. There, go to the Account Sync section and make sure the Contact Sync is turned on. Now, go to the three-dot menu and select Sync Now. Everything will sync to your Google account. In your new phone, open Settings and then open Google. There, scroll down. You can see Setup and Restore. Open that. And then select Restore Contacts. Here, you can see the Google account from which you will restore your contacts. There, select Current Device and hit Restore. The phone will automatically restore the contacts in your background. Now you have transferred all your contacts from your old phone to the new one without any hassle. Even if you buy a new phone after some time, you can easily restore them as you have already backed up your contacts to your Google account.
So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.